RainPoint carbon dioxide detector, focus on air quality for healthier home. Beautifully packaged and compact device. Now I'll show you how to link the device. First, connect Mini Box Hub to app, open HomeGar app, click the plus button, select Mini Hub to add Wi-Fi and enter the password, click Next button. Note that you need to select 2.4 GHz or dual band Wi-Fi. Power on the device, hold the button on the device until the LED flashes rapidly. Note, make sure the device is close enough to the Wi-Fi router. If the Wi-Fi is added successfully, the device will be automatically searched. If the device is successfully added, the blue light of the hub will not flash and you can use it. Second is CO₂ detector connection. Add devices via the plus button or the Mini Box Hub. Select the air sensor icon and click Next to enter the search device countdown. Please install the battery into the device to be added. The app will then search for the device and follow the guidelines to successfully add the device. Note that you must start loading the batteries after the countdown has begun. It is also possible to observe the data of the device when you are not with the device. App is for viewing data only. How to set the degree calibration function. Long press the adjust and up or down button to adjust the value. Press the adjust button again to adjust successfully. Long press the degrees Celsius / degrees Fahrenheit button to switch the temperature unit. How to set CO₂ concentration alarm. Long press the alarm button up or down button to adjust the value. Press the alarm button again to set successfully. When the CO₂ value reaches the set alarm value, an alarm will sound. You can hang it on the wall or put it on the table.